Across every age, a science-backed plan blends cardiovascular fitness, balanced nutrition, and stress management to improve erectile quality. Expert guidance emphasizes three pillars: physical training for blood flow, mindful techniques to reduce performance anxiety, and sleep hygiene. Natural remedies such as beet juice, maca, and fortified leafy greens support circulation, but only with medical approval. Targeted exercises including pelvic floor routines, breathing cadence work, and resistance training enhance stamina and erectile rigidity over time. A holistic approach links hydration, sunlight exposure, social connection, and routine checkups so men feel empowered, confident, and vital.